Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey! So today's video is going to be a different video, you guys. I've been checking out this plaster of Paris online and I've been loving it. Like, people do so many things with it and I absolutely wanted to try. So I will be trying this today, making a vase out of this plaster of Paris that I have and this doily that I got from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 2 and I'm currently using one, so I just had this one lying around and I decided to use it. So again, you guys, this video is going to be probably crappy. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but hopefully it comes out okay and I can use it. So this is the plaster of Paris that I will be using. It comes in a big container. I think the brand name is called DAP. It's in a red and white and a little bit of black container. So it's like a really, I don't know if it's toxic. It might be toxic, but please use gloves. Don't be like me. Please use gloves when you're using this. I was so stupid. I didn't know where my gloves were and I didn't use any gloves. So please use gloves when you're using this, along with a mask, a face mask, to prevent you from any aerosols or like inhalation. I'm also using plastic cups, a vase, and a rubber band. I also have this plate here to prevent any like spillage or anything from spilling all over the place. So you guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos and thank you so much for watching. So you guys, after letting this dry for a couple of hours, it dries really quickly because I put a lot of plaster of Paris in there. So it dried like in maybe like 4 or 5 hours. I just twist the vase on there and it came out really quickly. And I'm just gonna clean out the edges, and yeah, it came out okay. It could have been better, but it came out really cool. It's really hard. It's like ceramic, and I feel like it's really pretty. Probably if I do it again, it would come out even better. And you can paint this or spray it whatever color that you like. It is really pretty up close, you guys. So I'm just gonna add a flower in there. And this is how it came out. It's really pretty. I feel so good. It came out really good. I love it, guys. Thank you so much for watching again. Have a good one. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.